The MG3 Hybrid 2025 is a significant step forward for MG, combining affordability, efficiency, and modern hybrid technology. As the automotive industry moves towards electrification, MG has positioned itself well by introducing a small hybrid hatchback that offers practicality, low running costs, and an appealing design. The MG3 has traditionally been an entry-level hatchback, and the 2025 model brings a hybrid system to the lineup, making it more attractive to buyers who want fuel efficiency without committing to a fully electric vehicle. Under the hood, the MG3 Hybrid 2025 features a 1.5-liter petrol engine paired with an electric motor, creating a full hybrid system. Unlike mild hybrids that provide only minimal assistance, this full hybrid setup allows for short-distance electric driving, improved fuel economy, and reduced emissions. The engine is designed to work in conjunction with the electric motor, optimizing power delivery based on driving conditions. The transition between petrol and electric power is seamless, making for a smooth driving experience. The hybrid system also includes regenerative braking, which captures energy during deceleration and stores it in the battery, further enhancing efficiency. Performance-wise, the MG3 Hybrid 2025 offers a balance between power and economy. The combined output is expected to be around 190 horsepower, which is more than adequate for a compact hatchback. The instant torque provided by the electric motor ensures quick acceleration, making city driving effortless. The car is expected to feature an ECVT, electronic continuously variable transmission, which optimizes gear ratios for both performance and fuel efficiency. While it may not be a high-performance vehicle, the MG3 Hybrid provides enough power to make everyday driving enjoyable, whether in urban environments or on the highway. Fuel efficiency is a major highlight of this new model. With the hybrid system in place, the MG3 Hybrid 2025 is expected to achieve over 60 miles per gallon, mpg, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious drivers. This efficiency is especially beneficial in cities, where the electric motor can handle low-speed driving, reducing reliance on the petrol engine. Compared to traditional petrol-powered hatchbacks, the hybrid system significantly reduces running costs while also being environmentally friendly. The exterior design of the MG3 Hybrid 2025 has been updated to align with MG's modern design language. The front features a bold grille with a sleek LED headlight setup, giving the car a sporty and aggressive look. The aerodynamic design not only enhances the car's appearance but also improves fuel efficiency by reducing drag. The side profile maintains a compact, practical shape, with sharp lines and stylish alloy wheels that add a premium touch. At the rear, LED taillights and a subtle spoiler complete the modern aesthetic. The overall design makes the MG3 Hybrid stand out in the crowded hatchback segment, offering a fresh and contemporary look. Inside, the MG3 Hybrid 2025 provides a comfortable and tech-savvy cabin. The interior has been upgraded with high-quality materials, a digital instrument cluster, and a large touch-screen infotainment system. The infotainment system includes smartphone connectivity features such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless integration with mobile devices. The user-friendly interface allows access to navigation, music, and vehicle settings with ease. A premium audio system enhances the driving experience, making long journeys more enjoyable. The seats are designed for comfort, with improved cushioning and adjustable options for both the driver and passengers. The spacious cabin ensures that even taller passengers have enough legroom and headroom, making the MG3 Hybrid a practical choice for families or long commutes. The boot space is generous for a hatchback, with the ability to expand by folding the rear seats, allowing for greater cargo flexibility. Safety has been a key focus in the development of the MG3 Hybrid 2025. The car comes equipped with a range of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These features not only enhance safety but also reduce driver fatigue, especially on long trips. The car's structure has been reinforced to improve crash protection, and multiple airbags ensure that occupants remain safe in the event of a collision. Driving the MG3 Hybrid 2025 is a refined experience, thanks to its well-tuned suspension and steering system. The car handles well around corners, offering stability and confidence to the driver. The suspension setup strikes a balance between comfort and sportiness, absorbing road imperfections while maintaining a connected feel with the road. Noise insulation has been improved, making the cabin quieter, especially at high speeds. One of the biggest advantages of the MG3 Hybrid 2025 is its affordability. MG has built a reputation for offering feature-packed vehicles at competitive prices, and this hybrid model continues that tradition. Compared to rivals in the hybrid hatchback segment, the MG3 Hybrid is expected to be one of the most budget-friendly options without compromising on technology, comfort, or efficiency. This makes it an excellent choice for first-time car buyers, city drivers, and those looking for an economical daily commuter. In terms of technology, MG has integrated intelligent hybrid management to ensure optimal performance. The system automatically switches between petrol, electric, or a combination of both, depending on driving conditions. A dedicated driving mode selector allows users to choose between eco, normal, and sport modes, adjusting throttle response and energy usage based on preference. The battery management system ensures longevity and reliability, providing peace of mind for owners. The MG3 Hybrid 2025 is also expected to come with a strong warranty package, which is another selling point for potential buyers. MG typically offers warranties of up to 7 years, providing reassurance regarding reliability and maintenance costs. This extended warranty period makes it a more attractive option compared to some competitors, who offer shorter coverage. As the world transitions to more sustainable transportation solutions, hybrid vehicles like the MG3 Hybrid 2025 play a crucial role in bridging the gaps between traditional combustion engines and fully electric vehicles. While